Good evening and welcome to Harris Academy Greenwich A-Level Mathematics Experience Evening. My name is Francis Akibe and I'm the Key Stage 5 Maths lead here at the school. Mathematics is one of the oldest and most fundamental of the sciences. Theoretical mathematicians advance mathematical knowledge by developing new principles and recognizing previously unknown relationships between existing principles of maths. On the other hand, applied mathematicians use theories and techniques such as mathematical modeling and computational methods to formulate and solve practical problems in business, government, engineering, and the physical, life, and social sciences. It's a very important branch of the sciences, and I believe that mathematicians are versatile and are able to work in other fields of industry and academia. There are a whole lot of areas that mathematicians can work. Here is just a snapshot of some of the areas mathematicians excel. My email address is right at the bottom. Should you have any questions at all, please drop me an email and I'll be obliged to answer your questions as soon as possible. During the first year of the A-level program, students are exposed to the fundamentals of pure mathematics, integration, differentiation, exponential functions, and the like. And they're also exposed to two areas of applied mathematics, which is statistics and mechanics. Assessment for this unit is usually linked to our PPE exams, which will determine predicted grades for UCAS applications. For the further maths students, we have the core pure maths, which is the area that focuses on the fundamentals of pure mathematics. So you have further calculus, algebra and functions, and matrices, and all of the other contents that are covered on the pure area. And students have an option to choose the applied, and the options that we've got available here at school is pure mathematics 1 and further statistics, or pure 1 and further mechanics, as well as statistics 1 and further mechanics. The second year, which is the final year of the A-level course, on the A-level side, students will sit in the summer 3 papers. The first 2 papers are heavily loaded with pure mathematics concepts, and then there's a paper 3 which involves the applied options. On the further side, students again will sit, in this case will sit 3 papers. The first 2 would be wholly on pure mathematics, and there's a third which would be on their option 1, and finally they've got a choice to choose either of these options, and then we've got a paper 4 for option 2, which would also involve these options that we do here. As far as assessment goes here and the structure of the exams we do, the overarching principle is that of continuous assessment. So students are regularly assessed, so the teachers are better informed of areas of weaknesses and of mastery. So at the end of a particular lesson, a typical lesson, students are given independent tasks to complete and file away in their folders. At the end of a series of lessons, we do an end of topic test, which is recorded to inform teachers of topics that students are excelling in, and topics where they need an extra reteach if possible. And then we end this all up with a half-termly test, which is a cumulative test of all of the topics covered. These are graded and are recorded. At the end of the first year, the AS year, students sit the PPE exams. To study mathematics here at Harris Academy Greenwich, students are required to have a grade 5 in English literature or language, a grade 7 in mathematics, and for students wishing to enroll for further maths, we require them to have at least a grade 8, as this is seen as more challenging. Here at Harris Academy Greenwich, students enjoy their mathematics and they excel in their exams. under the capable hands of our well-qualified teachers. I hope I've been able to answer or reveal all of the queries you might have here about enrolling at Harris Academy Greenwich for your maths. Should you have any questions or any queries, please do drop me a line and I'll be glad to respond. Thank you so much and have a good evening. Bye bye.